This sweet pea dish has become my go-to Christmas dinner side. It's festive, flavorful, and ready in a flash. Give me the next 3 minutes and I'll show you how easy it is. With 7 simple ingredients, we start by peeling and dicing this game-changing pear. It adds a seasonal sweetness and pairs perfectly with the savory bacon. I dice the pear small, then roll your lemon to get the best squeeze and juice into a small bowl. Then toss your pear in the lemon juice to preserve its bright color and texture. Set aside, and now prep your shallots for their mild, sweet, oniony flavor. Cut off the ends into quarters so it's easy to peel the outer skin. Then cut into long, slender slices that stand out in the dish, a wonderful contrasting shape to the round peas. Next, a handful of freshly chopped parsley. You can also swap in basil, tarragon, or oregano. Simply clip the stems, and then a fine chop across the bunch with your crab hand, using your knuckles to guide the blade. Gather into a pile and rock chop by anchoring your knife at the tip and fine dicing across the pile. Finally, bacon or pancetta, a cured pork that crisps up beautifully in the pan, adding salty richness to the dish. Choose bacon free of hormones and naturally cured. Simply cut into bite-sized pieces for our sauté. Heat your pan to a medium-high, again with my go-to one-pot wonder carbon steel wok, link is below, and add your bacon. Spread evenly for heat to rise, which is the key to crisping. Then stir. When nice and brown, using your handy spider strainer, pull your bacon from the pan, leaving the flavorful rendered fat for the next batch. Add your shallots, sauté them for about a minute until they're soft, and then add in your peas. Stir to combine, then toss in your pears, all until the peas are warmed through and the pears have softened just slightly. Add in your finely chopped herb, here a parsley for added depth of flavor, and a squeeze of Dijon mustard for brightness and a hint of tang in the dish. A few grinds of your fresh ground pepper, a sprinkling of salt to bring out the flavors, and then add in half of your bacon bits. Save the rest for garnish. With everything warm, simply plate. Top with the remaining pancetta, and then garnish with a little lemon zest for a final festive touch. This dish is so simple, yet bursting with holiday flavor. The peas are tender and sweet, the pancetta adds a crispy, salty bite, and the pears and lemon bring everything together with a hint of sweetness and brightness. Happy holidays!